Welcome to the franchise website designed by Ordering Bliss. Here, you'll find everything you need for a complete experience. A welcoming image or main banner. Banners with special promotions, the footer with essential information. And, of course, the button to start your order easily. Rewards, 3 main options. Redeem, your points, membership type, wallet, and transactions. Buy gift cards here. My status, check your level of points and upcoming benefits. Offers, find all the available offers for you and use them whenever you want. Let's start with an order. First, choose your delivery type, delivery or pickup. If you select pickup, you'll see a map on the left with available locations and, on the right, business details. Choose your favorite and click. If you choose delivery, add a new address or select one of your saved addresses. Next, pick products from the menu of the business you selected. Explore the options, add them to your cart, and when you're ready, click Proceed. On the next screen, review all order details. Click Pay Now if everything looks good. At checkout, confirm your payment method. Adjust the driver tip if needed. Verify your order total and click Place Order to finish. Order completed. In the dashboard, track your order status in real time. Click on the order to view all details. Updates to the order status will reflect instantly. Stay connected throughout the process. Send and receive messages with the business owner or driver to coordinate any details. As an administrator, manage everything in real time. In the Orders section of your profile, review active and past orders. Want to reorder? Just click Reorder on a previous order. Once your order is complete, you'll receive a detailed ticket, payment method, driver information, and much more. That's how easy and complete the franchise website from Ordering Bliss is. Start enjoying an optimized experience tailored to your needs today.